ring theory along with the complex analysis. Okay, so we can also start the ring theory. So this is theoretical part. Okay, so first let us see the definition related to the ring theory. So here also another definition is also given, but in generally so you have to write this definition. An algebraic structure, a system, so that is R plus dot, where R is a non-empty set with two binary operations, addition and multiplication. Okay, addition and multiplication defined on R is said to be a ring. Okay, if it satisfies the following postulates. Okay, first one is R plus is an abelian group, and second one is R dot is a semi group, and the left distributive law and the right distributive law must holds good. Okay, so postulates, first you have to consider the postulates in related to that ring theory. So that is first one is it is an abelian group. Okay, so in related to addition, so first one, that is closure property, a plus b must belongs to the R. Associative property stands for a plus of b plus c, so that is equals to a plus of b plus c. So this is associative property, and there exists an identity 0 such that a plus 0 must be equals to a, that is additive identity, and additive inverse means so it should be 0, so that is there exists an element minus of a in related to any real number such that a plus of minus of a must be 0, and commutative property, so that is a plus b is equals to b plus of a. Okay, similarly, so this is a abelian group, and R dot is a semi group. So in that closure property, so that is a into b must be belongs to R, and associative property a into b into c must be equals to a into b into c. Okay, so next third one, so the left distributive law and the right distributive law must holds good. So that is a into of b plus c must be equals to a into b plus of a into c. So here a into of b plus c. Okay, so a is on left side, so that is b plus c, so it multiplies for both these terms, so this is a left distributive law, and a is on the right side, so which multiplies this b plus c, so that is b into a plus of c into a, so that is right distributive law. So these are the three important postulates in related to that ring theory. Okay, so next, properties. First one, so 0 is left as well as right identity, so that can be written as 0 plus of a must be equals to a, so that is equals to a plus of 0, so that is left and right identity. Okay, and minus of a is the left as well as right inverse of a, so that is minus, that is left identity, so that is minus of a plus of a is equals to 0, and that is right inverse of a, so that is a plus of minus of a, so that is also 0. Okay, additive identity 0 is unique, and additive inverse of minus of a is unique. Okay, so this ring theory, so which have, this is the new theory, so which have installed in our syllabus since from 2 years. Okay, that properties of a ring theory must be continued, that is fifth one. So that is AB belongs to the R for the function, so that is a plus of x equals to b has a unique solution, that is b plus of minus of a can be written as b minus of a. Cancellation law must be holds good, so that is a plus of c must be equals to b plus of c, so that is c, that is equals to a equals to b. Okay, and c plus of a equals to c plus of b, that is a equals to b. Okay, so these are the properties related to that ring theory. Next, let us see the types of the ring theory. So that is a commutative ring and a ring with unity, null ring or zero ring, so Boolean rings, p rings. Okay, so in this ring theory, so you have to each and every word and each and every theorems, so you have to make perfect. Okay, so because since from 2 years only, so it can be installed for your syllabus, so any questions they may ask. Okay, so let us see the types of the rings. First one, so that is a commutative ring. A ring R in which the multiplication is a commutative, so that is a into b equals to b into a, for every ab must be belongs to 0, sorry, R is called a commutative ring, so that is a into b equals to b into a. Okay, definitions must be to the point. Suppose commutative ring is asked A into B in a ring R, so A into B equals to B into A. For every AB must be belongs to R. So this is important. So that is a commutative ring with unity. So that is 1 into A is equals to A into 1. So that is unity by multiplying for a function. So it should be that number itself. Okay, so that element itself, that A must belongs to R, is called a ring with unity. Null ring or zero ring. Okay, the singleton set. Here null ring or zero ring. So singleton set, so that it contains an element 0. Okay, if you write so without 0, if you write empty sets, it is wrong. Okay, null ring or zero ring, so you should have to mention that should be contains, that set contains 0. Okay, with the two binary operations, addition and multiplication, so that can be defined as 0 plus 0 must be equals to 0, or 0 into 0 is equals to 0. So is a ring in related to that ring, addition and multiplication, so that is 0 ring or null ring. Okay, so boolean ring, so in this null ring, so this identity, it is an important one, that set must contains 0. Okay, or in related to addition and multiplication we have to show these two, so is called a 0 ring or null ring. Okay, next boolean rings. A ring R is said to be a boolean ring if each of its elements in the idempotent, so that is a square equals to a. Okay, for every a must belongs to R. Okay, next p rings, so that is a raised to p is equals to a, and p raised to a must be equals to 0 for every a must belongs to the R. Okay, in a ring R. So these are the 5 important types of a rings. Okay.